Welcome to Sparks Toyota.
Here we have a 2016 Toyota Tundra 4-wheel drive SR5. It has a clean one-owner Carfax and comes with power heated mirrors, step rails, deep tinted glass, splash guards, and much more. 18-inch styled steel wheels, all-season tires, 2 recovery hooks, a chrome grille, daytime running lights, fog lights, and a strong 8-cylinder 4-wheel drive with only 33,861 miles. A power rear window, a locking tailgate, large brake lights, the tow package, and a comfortable back seat with cup holders. The front row adjustable fabric bench seating, cruise, AC, a locking glove box, power outlets, outside temp, under seat storage, a tilting steering wheel with convenience controls, the multimedia and GPS touchscreen with a CD player, Bluetooth and voice recognition, and a backup camera to make backing up a breeze.
Please let us know if you have any questions, and thank you for watching.